Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This is my first video shooting on this channel. I welcome you that you may join me, subscribe and share my videos to my channel. You kindly subscribe to my channel and also share the link to other people who are interested in my niche. So this is my first time and this is my first video to shoot. I welcome you so much to African Musi. This is the channel that I have just started recently, and I welcome your support, your influence on this channel. Kindly support me by watching my videos, support me by subscribing to my channel, support me by commenting and showing me the direction, comment on my videos. I'm flexible to correction. You feel free to correct me, feel free to guide me on this channel. I really welcome you so much that you may work, put your efforts together and combine with me so that I may grow my channel. Uh, I am starting the YouTube channel and I have several visions and missions for this channel, but I will be shooting another video to tell you the mission or the reason for this channel, what I intend to do with it in this channel, the type of content I need to bring to you, the type of videos I'll be bringing to you, the niche that I have chosen that I'll be presenting to you guys. So remain here, be steadfast, be supportive at all times. Make sure that you are subscribing. My greatest request is that you may subscribe, comment, and also like what you see. You can like the videos that you'll be getting from us. Kindly like them. It is my first time, so your support to me is of great help. I really request you to support me so much, and your support to me is going to be of great benefit to me as an individual. Thank you so much for joining me here today, and I'm really happy. I'm really happy to shoot this video, even though it's not of the best quality. Even if it is not my speaking to you is not that good, but at least I've tried, and I know you're going to support me that this channel may grow high, this channel may go far. I'm right now I'm at 0 subscribers, and I believe in you and YouTube that you are going to push me to 1,000 subscribers and keep me moving, because I know with you and the type of content I'll be bringing to you, the type of videos and interactions that we shall be having with you here, it is going to be of great benefit. So welcome so much. Kindly share this video to your people, share this video to your friends, let them comment, let them subscribe, let them watch my videos, let them support me. And this channel is not only meant for me, but it's all meant for you and everybody. And this channel is for the whole world. It's for all people all over the world. Anybody all over the world can subscribe to this channel. Anybody anywhere can support. Those from Finland, those from Portugal, those from Germany, those from the US, those from my local country, Kenya. I'm in Kenya right now, in Nakuru. So those are from Kenya, all over the counties in Kenya, the 49 counties in Kenya, I welcome you to this channel. Please support me, subscribe to my channel, and show me love. Show me love, and show me support, that we may grow together. So in the next video, I'll be talking about my niche, what I intend to do in this channel, the things that I am planning to do in this channel, the videos that I'll be bringing to you, the type of content I'll be bringing to you. So that's what I'll be doing in the next video. So stay tuned and always stay focused, and always stay supportive. This channel is meant to support each other, is meant to support the community, is meant to boost each and every one of us. So welcome so much. I really love you, and I really love you so much. Kindly subscribe, share my videos, share my channel link, comment to my videos, and also be of great support to this channel. Thank you so much, and may God bless you.